Hi and welcome back to the POLYMER CLAY channel. So today I'm going to cover a tin. I found some really pretty feather designs on Pinterest and I've been wanting to do this for a really long time, but it does involve getting out lots and lots of different clay in different colours, so I kind of put it off, but today I've decided to go ahead and do it and I'm going to show you how I did it. So here we go. Okay, so this is what we're starting with today. I'm going to do the clay first and then I'm going to do the mica powder and glitter once we get to that stage. I'm going to list all of the colours that I'm using here today in the description below. The reason why I'm doing that is because I've got so many here, it's going to take me a little while to read through all of the colours and the numbers, and I want this to be nice and quick. Also, I've been a bit clever, so I've listed all of the tools that I use on a regular basis in my videos, in also the description, and also my contact details should you wish to make a suggestion. So I am going to tell you about this one. This is Stardust 5903, and this is the one that I'm going to start with in the background for the tin, and then the feather is going to be made out of the rest of the colours. So I'm going to make a start. Thanks for watching the tutorial. So I'm going to show you what it looks like now. So I had a lot of fun with this. It's absolutely stunning, even if I say so myself. I'm really impressed with how this came out. It's no longer a boring silver tin. It looks really, really cool. Catches the light with the mica powder, and if you didn't notice, I didn't put any glitter on it. Now I don't know why I didn't, to be honest, because if I'd have thought about it, I probably would have stuck some glitter on it somewhere, but I'm glad I didn't, because you know, with the mica powders and you know how the design looked anyway, I think it would have overpowered it a bit too much. And then around the side there I did some printing, and I kind of like haphazardly went at it really. I didn't really sort of have a design in place or anything like that, and then I just put some mica powder on and then rubbed it off in different places because I like this sort of worn effect around the outside. I really love that kind of look, and I love rainbows, so I don't know what it is about rainbows, but I love a rainbow themed anything. So this is how you create a rainbow themed feather on a pencil tin. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Are we ready? Gail Jones, ready. More coffee. La 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 la. Fly me down, let me fly amongst the stars. So I went out for a dog walk. When I came back, there was something black here. I saw it out the corner of my eye, and I caught it, and I kind of flapped it like this, and then took off my cardigan, which was a different one to this, and I couldn't find it. And then since then I have been shivering like something's on me. Does anyone get that? Like shivery? I don't know what it was, I didn't see it. So if I saw it and it ran off and it could hide somewhere, that's fine. Spiders I don't kill unless they run at me. Sorry, but if they were gonna run, they yeah. So if I can put them in a cup or whatever and put them somewhere, that's fine. But not if they crawl on me. No. It doesn't help that I'm really hot as well, even though it's like really early in the morning, hence the bucket of coffee, which you can't see the drips because I made it clear. I still got the shivers. Ugh.